So what is going on, guys? Welcome to the YouTube channel. If we have not yet met, my name is Peter Roberts, and in today's video I'm excited to share with you guys how much TikTok paid me for getting nearly 6.8 million views on my TikTok in the last 28 days. In this video I'm going to break down how you get paid on TikTok, as well as jump into my analytics to give you guys the proof on how much I made in the last 28 days through the Creator Fund on TikTok. So don't go anywhere, let's get it. So guys, before we jump into the nitty gritty and me breaking down exactly how much the TikTok Creator Fund is paying me every day, which I'm super stoked to reveal. As you can see, my current profile is sitting over 150,000 followers, and I've gotten over 3.4 million likes on my videos. Now that's incredible for me to even fathom, because like everyone else, I've started out with 0 followers and I was able to grow this personal page. Now, a lot of people have a lot of stipulations and aren't sure how much you can actually make on TikTok videos. And a simple analytics that I like to share to kind of just summarize how much you can make on your videos is that TikTok releases and says that you can make between 2 to 4 cents for every 1,000 views that you get on your TikTok. Now, to make this simple and something that can just keep it easier for you to remember is that you'll make around $20 for every 500,000 views that you get on a video. Now, you might think that is nothing. How do people make money on TikTok? There's a lot of opportunities out there through personal brand, through selling your own product, and there's a lot of endless opportunities through TikTok. So fortunately enough for me, in the last 28 days, I have produced around 3 to 4 solid, very viral videos that has allowed my views to go up like crazy in the last 28 days. And as you can see, we're just sitting right under 6.8 million views in the last 28 days on TikTok. Now this is incredible. I'll share with you guys some of the most viral videos that I have. For example, this video right here has 3.9 million views right now on TikTok. This absolutely went viral. Instantly, I've had a jump in my followers, and this means I was able to get paid a decent amount of money. And as you can see here, I'm having some trending videos that are doing great in the last 7 days. So it's a matter of posting content out there, staying consistent, and just seeing if it will go viral. In this case, my videos went viral. So I want to share with you guys how much I actually made off these 6.8 million views. So there is a lot of skepticism out there explaining, can you make real money on TikTok through the Creator Fund? Can you actually support yourself, make a living? This is something that I'm kind of working through and seeing if it'd be interesting if you could live a life on TikTok and through social media. But obviously you get a lot of your big money and deals all through partnerships. When sponsorships happen, that's really how TikTok creators are making a lot of their money. So I want to jump into exactly my TikTok Creator Fund analytics. So I want to start on the 15th of December. This is kind of when I started to make some money and keeping track of how much I was making on the 28 days. And as you can see here, slowly on the right, we're at $2, $3, $4. And then we made a jump when some of the videos started going viral. $54, $72, $28, $19, and continue jumping up to $31. Now, this all added up seemed to be an incredible amount. I know there's a lot of numbers in there, and I thought it'd be easiest to calculate how much I've actually made in the last 28 days. So I made an Excel spreadsheet just to walk you guys through exactly some of my best days, worst days, and how much I made at the end of the 28 days. So as you can see here, on December 15th, 2020, I made a whopping $1.55. Now that's literally nothing, but hey, it's better than nothing. But it seemed to get better and better, except for on the 26th when I made a solid 96 cents. So it depends on how good your videos are doing, as well as the content that you're producing. But things started to change when I started to post that viral video. Right here on the 29th, I went from making less than $1 to making around $54.23. Now that's pretty solid. A day of not going to work and making this much money on TikTok, that's sweet. But even better, the next day, this is when the viral video really started to pop off. You can see I made around $72, which is absolutely incredible. So just in those 2 days, I made a little over $120 just posting on TikTok. Now in general, I continued to stay around the average of $28, $8, $16, and $19. And even yesterday, I got paid for the 11th for making $31 right here. So the total breakdown, and the most exciting thing that I want to share with you guys on how much I made in the last 28 days with over 6.8 million views on TikTok. And as you can see here, the total for the last 28 days, bingo, is $346.09. Now personally for me, I love posting on TikTok, and I continue to love growing my personal TikTok brand. So that is exactly how much I made in the last 28 days, getting nearly 6.8 million views on TikTok and continuing to post and continuing to grow. Now guys, I hope this gave you a clear breakdown on how much money you can make on TikTok, as well as maybe you're even a little disappointed on how much money I got paid with all the views that I got, but that's truthfully it. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or want any more feedback or more clarity on these numbers, be sure to personally hit me up or comment on this video. If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, it would mean so much. If you guys want more tips on TikTok, feel free to make sure that you let me know, because your word really matters in my life. So thank you guys so much. I will see you in the next video. Take care and have an amazing day. Peace.